Hello everyone. Now, in today's class, we will take question number 4. Question number 4 is which term of this AP is 78? Means इसकी कौन सी एक ऐसी टर्म होगी जो 78 आएगी. मीन्स फर्स्ट टर्म होगी, 10th टर्म होगी, 11th टर्म होगी, कौन सी टर्म होगी कि ये एंड में 78 आए. सो इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट n, कौन से नंबर की टर्म है. ओके, सो आपको यहाँ पे n निकालना है एंड दिस 78 कि आपकी इस एपी सीरीज की लास्ट टर्म 78 होगी. तो कौन से नंबर पे टर्म आएगी. सो इट मीन्स द 78 विल बी द लास्ट टर्म. सो व्हाट वी विल टेक a equal 3, d equal 8 minus 3, that is 5, and last term means an, nth term is 78. And what we have to find out? n, कौन से नंबर की टर्म. So we have the formula an equal a plus n minus 1d. So what we will do? We will substitute the values here, all the given values here, and then we will get the value of n. So 78 minus 3, 75 equal n minus 1, 5. So from here 75 upon 5 equal n minus 1. Cancel it will come as 25. So sorry, you will get it 15, and from here n will be 15 plus 1, that is 16. So it means कि 16th टर्म ऐसी होगी जो आपका 78 आएगा. Is it clear? Question 5. In question 5, you have to find the number of terms. Number of terms means n निकालना है. And last term is there. So here A is 7, D is second term minus previous term. So what it will be? 6, and an is 205. So आपको क्या निकालना है? Which terms? Find the number of terms. Means you have to find out n. N you have to find out. So substitute here in the given formula which we did it in the previous classes. 205 equal a is 7 plus n minus 1 and d is 6. अब इसको आप सॉल्व कर लेंगे to get the value of n. Question 6th. Question 6th is check whether minus 150 is a term of this given series, AP series. क्या इस सीरीज को आगे अगर हम करते जाएंगे तो क्या कोई एक ऐसी टर्म आएगी जो -50 भी -150 भी आएगी. इफ यू विल सी द एपी सीरीज इज डिक्रीजिंग, तो क्या कोई एक ऐसी टर्म आएगी इसको माइनस करते जाएं देन द लास्ट टर्म विल बी -150. ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि क्या हमारी लास्ट टर्म -150 आएगी कि नहीं आएगी. सो लेट्स सी इट. हम यहाँ पर मान के चल लेते हैं let the nth term, we will assume it as -150. We will assume it that nth term is -150. Now substitute in the given formula, that is an equal a plus n minus 1d. इसमें हम वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. -150 इक्वल a इज द फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस n minus 1, d is 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11. So it will be -3. Now let's solve it further. Shift this term on the other side. So it will come as -161 equal n minus 1 into -3. ये आ जाएगा आपके पास. Now solve it for the -161 equal -3n plus 3. Shift the term on the other side. So plus 3 will be on the other side. So it will become -164 equal -3n. अब यहाँ से अगर आप n की वैल्यू निकालते हैं n So n you will get it as 352.8. n you are getting it as 52.8. तो क्या हमारी नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कभी डेसिमल में होते हैं? नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कि कितनी टर्म्स हैं, इट कैन नॉट बी इन डेसिमल. 1 टर्म होगी, 2 टर्म होगी, 3 टर्म होगी, so it cannot be in the decimal form. So what does it mean? Here the number of terms are coming in negative, in decimal. So what does it mean? Therefore minus 150 is not a term. So therefore minus 150 is not a term. क्यों नहीं है? Because here n is coming as negative. N is coming as decimal. So number of terms cannot be in the form of decimal. Now question 7th. In question 7th, 11th term is given 38, 16th term is given 73, and you have to find out 31st term. From here, 11th term means a plus 10d equal 38, and 16th term 73 means a plus 15d equal 73. अब आपको क्या निकालना है? a plus 31st d मीन्स आपको फाइंड आउट करना है a plus 30d. ये फाइंड आउट करना है. So how will you find out? अगर हमारे पास a और d की वैल्यू आ जाएगी, that we will substitute over here to get the value. So from these two equations हम इसको solve करेंगे to get the value of a and d. So it will come as minus 5d equal 73 minus 38. 73 minus 38 will be 735 minus 35. Minus 35 you will get it. Okay. So d is coming as 7. अब आप क्या करेंगे? d you have got it as 7. So substitute this value of d in either of the equation. किसी भी equation में put कर दीजिए. So d you will put d equal 7 in equation 1. So you will get 10 into 7 equal 38. A equal 38 minus 70. So from here a equal, what will you get it? 32. A you will get it as 32. A की value आ गई 32. So what should be next step? Now substitute the value of A as well as D in this to get the answer. So A 31, you have to find out that is A plus 30D. So substitute the value. 32 plus 30 multiply D is 7. So after solving it, you will get A31 equal 32 plus 210. So A31 is 242. So हमारे पास क्या आ गया? 31st term जो आपकी आएगी इस given AP में, that will come as 242. Clear? Question 8. In question 8, it is given, in question 8, an AP consists of 50 terms. एक AP है जिसमें 50 terms हैं. So 50 means n equals 50. Number of terms 50 है. Of which third term is 12. Third term is 12. And the last term is 106. Last term means nth term. Nth term is 106. And you have to find out 29th term. From here, this is a plus 2d equal 12. And n is given. From this, put the value of, write the formula first. An 106 equal, we don't have the a over here, so a plus 50 minus 1 d. So you will get 106 equal A plus 49D. A plus 49D. अब आपके पास this is the first equation and this is second equation. Okay, and what will you do? You will solve equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 को you will solve it, and after solving it you will get the value of A and D. आपकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी. Like this you have to solve it. And now the question is you have to find out A29. A29 means क्या होगा? A plus 28D. Okay, so after getting the value of A and D, you will substitute over here to get the final answer. I think it's clear to all of you. Now, question 9. Question 9 is, if third term and the ninth term is given, which term of AP is 0? कौन सी term means 10th term होगी, 20th term होगी, कौन सी term ऐसी होगी जो 0 आएगी? तो it means we have to find out the number of term. मतलब 10th term, 12th term, any other term. तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन से क्या पता चल रहा है कि हमें n निकालना है, एंड विच टर्म इट शुड बी 0. सो कौन सी टर्म एंड की टर्म 0 होगी? सो वी विल टेक an एज 0. ठीक है, वी विल कंसिडर, वी विल टेक इट एज it is already written over here which term of the AP is 0. So an will be 0. ठीक है, now an, a plus n minus 1d. Now sub an, instead of an you will put its value 0, and a plus n minus 1d. अब आपके पास a और d की वैल्यू नहीं है, so how will you find out from here, from equation 1 and equation 2? So from equation 1 and 2, what will you get it? A plus 2d equal 4 and a plus 9d means 8d equal minus 8. ये आ जाएगा. Now what will you do? You will solve these two equations. Solve कीजिए इसको. You will get from here the value of d is minus 2. अब d की वैल्यू minus 2 आ गई. Now substitute this value d in any one of the equation. Let it be equation 3. So in equation 3 put d equal minus 2 in equation 3. Equation 3 में put करते हैं to get the value of a. So if you will put it d equal minus 2 equal 4, so it will come as 8. After solving it, you will get it as 8. Minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Shift it on the other side, you will get it 8. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहा है? Which term of the AP is 0? कौन सी term होगी? Means you have to find out n. So from here, now you will put the value 0 equal a 8 plus n minus 1. D is coming as minus 2. Solve it further. It will come as, shift it on the other side, upon minus 2 equal n minus 1. Cancel कीजिए. So you will get n equal 5. So it means that the fifth term will be 0 of the AP series. Got it? Question 10th. In question 10th, it is given that the 17th term of AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. 17th term 10th term से 7 ज़्यादा है. So we will write it A17 minus A10 equals 7. Now you have to find out common difference. Common difference आपको निकालना है. This you have to find out. So it means A plus 16D minus A10. A10 means A plus 9D equals 7. Now open it. What will you get it? Solve it like this. Change their sign. ये cancel हो जाएगा. So what will you get it? here 7D equals 7, so D value will be 1. Clear? Question 11th. In question 11th, which term of this will be 132 more than 132 more than 54th term? 54th term से 132 ज़्यादा of this given AP series. So क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहा है, विच टर्म, कौन सी टर्म होगी, n की वैल्यू होगी जो 54th टर्म से 132 ज्यादा होगा. तो हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट 54th टर्म. सो बिफोर दैट हियर a is 3 and d is 15 minus 3, that is 12. So we will find out 54th term. So 54th term means a plus 53d, ये निकालना है. So a plus 53d, what will you get it? a plus 53d, a is 3 plus 53 multiplied 12. अगर आप इसे सॉल्व करेंगे you will get 3 plus 636, so it will come as 639. ये आपके पास आ गया 54th term will be 639. ओके, ना क्वेश्चन में लिखा है कि इससे आपका कितना ज्यादा, 132 ज्यादा. सो 132 इस टर्म से ज्यादा. सो व्हाट इट विल बी, 132 मोर देन 54th term. So it will be 639 plus 132. इससे 132 ज्यादा. So it will come as 7 11 6 7 771. You will get it as 771. Okay. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा है, आपको क्वेश्चन में निकालना है विच टर्म, कौन सी टर्म है, फर्स्ट टर्म है, 100th टर्म है, कौन सी टर्म है. ठीक है, विच टर्म ऑफ द गिवन सीरीज इज 132 मोर देन 54th टर्म. तो हमारे पास ए एन इक्वल ए प्लस एन माइनस 1d. तो आपके पास ये टर्म आ गई 771. सो यू विल 771 इक्वल a is 3 plus n minus 1 and d is 12. Okay, now you have to find out the value of n. Shift it on the other side. 771 minus 3 equal n minus 1 into 12. So 771 minus 3. So it will be 768 upon 12 equal n minus 1. 768. अब इसको कैंसिल कीजिए, you will get it 64. So n minus 1 equals 64. So n value will be 64 plus 1, that is n equals 65. So what does it mean? कि 65th टर्म ऐसी होगी, 65th टर्म ऐसी होगी जो 54th टर्म से 132 ज्यादा होगी. इज इट क्लियर? सो व्हाट वी डिड, हमने पहले 54th टर्म निकाली बाय टेकिंग द वैल्यू फ्रॉम हियर. 54th टर्म में 132 ऐड कर दिया. सो दिस विल बी द nth टर्म नाउ. ठीक है, then you will substitute the value to get the n value. I hope all the questions are clear to all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.